Think global, act local in your settlement. The sovereign element, farmers, growers and residents. Clean, lean, green development. The sovereign element.
Hydroelectric power is clean, renewable, with proven efficiency and longevity. By J.L. Gallion, Sovereign Element, February 26, 2013. In the nuclear age, when and where toxic radiation is purposefully deployed as a weapon and an energy source, with engineering intended to destroy life in the blink of an eye and also exploiting its use for power in science and politics, we have turned away from the grace of the past. Over 2,000 years ago, the Greeks used the power of falling water to turn mechanical wheels and grind wheat into flour. For milling and pumping, hydropower was used in the 1700s, and by the early 1900s, 40% of the United States was powered by hydroelectricity. Hydroelectric power is clean, renewable, and has a proven track record of over 100 years. Power plants fueled by burning coal function similarly to those operating on hydropower. When the coal burns, it creates steam which turns a propeller-like device known as a turbine. The turbine then turns a metal shaft inside an electric generator, a motor, converting the energy produced by the mechanical motion into electricity. In a hydroelectric power plant, the turbine is moved by falling water using a dam system and works the same way as the steam in a coal plant powers the turbine. With modern innovation, the same principle harnessed in hydroelectric dams can be harnessed by the motion of the ocean. The energy of the constantly hitting waves creates an endless cycle that can be tapped for electricity. It is already being done in Scotland. In the small state of New Hampshire, there are at least 9 currently operating hydroelectric plants, several of which are over 100 years old. They are 100% renewable sources of energy and produce 70.5 megawatts of power. New Hampshire has one nuclear power station as well, in the town of Seabrook, generating 1,244 million watts, powering 1.4 million homes and businesses. This one power station has a 10-mile radius of emergency zones in the case nuclear material leaks or breaches containment. At a time of potential and actual exponential technological research and development, we on a daily basis are creating new technologies that use more and more energy. Without a plan forward to deal with the potential hazards from the eventual fallout of today's nuclear and fossil fuel power systems, we are on a path to reverse the exponential growth into exponential failure. Systems are critical, and we need a plan to clean up the mess we have, while simultaneously developing and deploying sustainable technology of now and the future. We must think ahead further than 1 or 2 generations and envision a plan for the next 10 generations, let's say 400 years. It will happen in phases, for the only way to make this happen is to get ourselves, our societies, our cultures, and our institutions and systems working in harmony together with purpose and involvement. The involvement of each of the components is integral to sustainability. We need clean, safe, efficient, and stable energy systems or destruction is inevitable. The first step is realizing we have a problem.
Think global, act local in your settlement. The sovereign element, farmers, growers and residents. Clean, lean, green development. The sovereign element.